Okay, exercise 8.2, problem 12, discussion. Let's read the problem. The perimeter of the ends of a frustum of a cone are 44 cm and 8.4 pi cm. If the depth is 14 cm, then find its volume. Okay, let's look at the figure. As I told earlier, a frustum is nothing but a cone. A part of the cone is cut off. Okay, the height is given as 14 cm. Okay, here the depth is given as 14 cm. Then they have given the perimeter of the ends are 44 cm and 8.4 pi cm. But you have to be very careful now. Which one is this will go here or this will go here? That is something which we need to calculate, because in the earlier problem they have not given any additional information, so we had to take R to be smaller and to start with, and we worked it out. But here they have given information indirectly. Okay, see, you see the perimeter here is 44. One is 44, the other one is 8.45. Pi is 3.14. Okay, so it is 8.4 into 3.14. So it will be somewhere around 25. Okay, just make a rough multiplication. 8 into 3, 24. So 24, 25 or 26 or something like that you'll be getting. But this is 44. So this is definitely bigger than this. Okay, alright. So this is for the bottom end and this 8.4 pi is for the top end. Okay, great. Now let's list out what is given. The perimeter equal to 44 cm, that is a bigger one. And the perimeter for the smaller one is 8.4 pi centimeter, and the height of the depth is 14 cm. So what are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate the volume. Okay, what is the formula? V equal to 1 by 3 pi h into capital R square plus small r square plus RR. Right? But if you look at this, we will not be able to use this formula because we don't have the capital R or the small r. Okay, but we are given additional information. The perimeter is given for the bottom as well as for the top end of the frustum, and the perimeter is given by 2 pi r. So in this formula, perimeter is known, which means we will be able to calculate the radius. When you put perimeter as 44 cm, you will get the radius of the bigger end. When you put perimeter equal to 8.4 pi, you will get the radius of the smaller end. Smaller end, I mean to say. Okay, you got it? So that's the key thing about this problem. Now let's summarize the steps. Substitute the values of the perimeter of the top end in P equal to 2 pi r and calculate R. That is, we have to substitute perimeter of the top end is 8.4 pi and calculate the small r. And substitute the value perimeter of the bottom end in P equal to 2 pi r and calculate big R. Okay, in this case the perimeter is 44 cm, and when you put 44 cm you will get the capital R, which is the bigger radius. Once we know small r and big R, substitute those values and the height in this formula to get the volume of the frustum. Okay, so let's pause the video here and try to work the problem on your own and come back and check you are working with the solution. Okay, solution. Okay, given the perimeter is 44 cm, the smallest end perimeter is 8.4 pi cm, and the height is 14 cm. The perimeter of the frustum end, which is nothing but a circle, is given by the formula P equal to 2 pi r. So for the bottom end, where it is bigger in size, we get 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R will be equal to 44. Okay. So this 2 2s are 44 and this 44 will get cancelled. So R, the 7 will come to the other side. So R will be equal to 7 cm. And for the smaller end, that is the top end, we will get 2 into pi into R will be equal to 8.4 pi That's what is given here. So this pi and pi will get cancelled. So 2r will be equal to 8.4, or r will be equal to 8.4 divided by 2, that is 4.2 centimeters. Now we have the capital R as well as small r. I'm sorry, this must be small r actually. Let me correct it. Okay, I've got it corrected. It's a small r equal to 4.2 centimeter. So now we substitute these two values in this formula. You will get 1/3 into pi, that is 22/7, into height or the depth, which is 14, plus capital R, that is 7 square, plus small r square, that is 4.2 square, plus the capital R into small r. So this will become, okay, 7 will go 2 times, so it will become 44/3, and this 7 square is 49, and 4.2 square is 17.64, and 7 into 4.2 is 29.4. You add up all these things, you will get 96.04, and you simplify, you will get 1408.58 centimeter cube. Thus the volume of the frustum of the cone is 1408.6 centimeter cube. Okay. I hope you got the problem done correctly. If not, please see where you have gone wrong and correct it. If you have not understood the concept, please go back to the discussion part of the video and try to understand it clearly and rework the problem. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.